State health officials are supporting the CDC's decision to recommend booster shots. DHEC released a statement today encouraging all vaccinated residents to get their booster shot once they meet the necessary time frame. The new guidelines say that adults that receive the 2-shot Pfizer or Moderna may get their booster shot 6 months after their vaccine series, so 6 months after your last shot. Adults with one of the 2-dose vaccines should get their booster if they're age 50 and up, or if they live in a long-term care facility. People who got the single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine are encouraged to get a booster after just 2 months. Health officials say mixing and matching vaccines is okay, and people who got the J&J shot may want to consider receiving either the Moderna or Pfizer vaccine as a booster to maximize their response.
All right, there you go. The official word is you can mix and match the vaccine. So with everybody ages 5 and older now eligible to get a COVID-19 vaccine, we wanted to take a look at how we're doing here in South Carolina as far as the rates go. So the latest numbers from DHEC show that 49.8% of eligible residents are fully vaccinated in our state. 57.5% have received at least 1 dose. So if you're counting, that leaves 42% of eligible South Carolinians who are still at this point completely unvaccinated. The CDC approved the Pfizer vaccine for ages 5 through 11 at the beginning of November. Since that time, 5.9% of that age group in South Carolina has received at least 1 dose of the vaccine. That equals more than 25,000 children. Statistically, 0% of those kids have completed the vaccination process. And let's take a look at the latest COVID-19 numbers here in our state. DHEC says we had 430 new cases of the virus. The agency also says that 7 more South Carolinians have died because of COVID-19. So where is our percent positive rate? Well, of the people who have gotten and tested, 4.6% of those tests have come back positive.
Today marks the first day federal employees had to work under a vaccine mandate. More than 90% of federal workers have gotten at least 1 dose. 5% have applied for an exemption. COVID cases are on the rise across the U.S., currently surging in 35 states.